Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact model and charging style so you don't buy the wrong puck. Look on the case back or open settings about to get the model number. This tells you the magnetic polarity and voltage. Once done, inspect the charger port or puck shape. Some are magnetic pucks, others use proprietary cradles or USB-C. Make sure to note the rated V and A. That prevents underpowering or overheating and saves time when searching retailers. Next, search marketplaces and manufacturer sites using the model number and connector type to narrow options quickly. You want certified or OEM chargers because they match the watch's V/A and magnetic alignment. That's why they charge reliably. Once you find candidates, compare physical dimensions, polarity orientation, and cable length to ensure fit and convenience. If multiple options appear, prioritize sellers with clear photos. Finally, purchase the chosen charger and test it immediately. Align the contacts, plug in, and verify LED or on-screen charging within 10-15 minutes. If the watch doesn't charge, make sure the puck's magnet seats squarely, try a different USB port or wall adapter, and perform a soft reset on the watch. These steps fix most issues. If charging still fails, confirm V/A match and return or replace under the seller policy. This one troubleshooting tip, check alignment, resolves the majority of failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.